Good morning. We're on our way to schooly school. Well, Layla is. Winston isn't feeling good today, so he is going to be staying home. Darn it, huh? He woke up with a bellyache and then he morphed. So.
Did I wake up really early?
You woke up just right in time.
Right in time.
Right in time. Let's go to school. She's been so excited because obviously she didn't go to school yesterday and Winston did, so she's super excited. Gager is at school and Braylee's just getting ready. So all the kids should have school today. I mean, obviously Winston is sick, but that's what's happening. And then tomorrow the kids don't have school. And we're going to see Casey tonight. He's like kind of in between hunts, but Gage is going. So we're gonna meet up with him. Also, I spent like 2 hours, maybe not quite, well yeah, probably between like going to the car wash and everything, cleaning my car on the car seats. And it looks so awesome in here now. So clean. My car is always a disaster. I love these rubber mats because you can scrub them and it's all clean. So much better, huh? Want some help? She's like, okay mom, stop. How are you feeling, buddy? Are you feeling better? I saw you sleeping in your bed. You were super tired, huh? That's a big girl. Did you like sleeping in your bed? Do you want to sleep in your bed at night? You do by yourself?
I flew up to the house.
Serious?
I'm gonna sleep with mom then.
You're gonna sleep with me? Oh my gosh, this house. Hey, why don't we just like keep the drinks and the snacks just right there, just right at the table? What do you think about that? Yeah. Put them there right now. I mean it. Layla has nonstop been wearing this dress. You look beautiful. Super beautiful. I loved her today too. Does anyone else feel like since like we were in quarantine and homeschooling that your house is just messy nonstop, and then summer obviously? I swear my house is never clean anymore. Never ever ever clean. I just filmed a quick little like get ready with me story time video. So if you didn't see that, I uploaded it. This will probably go up next week from today. So it was up last week. If you didn't see it, go check it out. I saw a ghost, you guys. I'm not kidding. I saw a ghost, for real. It was, I don't know how, you'll have to watch the video. I don't really feel much about it, but it happened. Anyways, we are on our way to Salt Lake. My house is a mess and I'm just trying to be like, it's fine. I'll deal with it when I get back, because we're really just gonna be there tonight, and then we're coming home early in the morning because we have some appointments and things tomorrow that I didn't want to cancel. So just a quick trip, so I'll have all day to clean tomorrow. But I'm just like, don't look, don't look, don't look. You want to do toy unboxing videos?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you can get a bunch of toys. Winston has always loved toy unboxing videos, and actually when he starts watching them, I'm also like, I can't look away. I get it. Maybe we could do that sometime. Hey, will you let Rosie outside? Thank you. Oh my. I have talked about this a couple of times in the vlogs, but next week I'm planning to like totally reorganize in here, and I'm gonna do a video about my pantry, what I put where. I'm getting ready to just order a few things for the drawers and everything, things that I've seen on TikTok that I just think are going to be so helpful, and get rid of a bunch of stuff that we just don't use. A lot of things have also gone bad. Like, I just want to make sure that I always have the things that I need and will use available, rather than just cluttered with stuff that I don't use all the time. So that is my plan for next week, is to do that in here and the kitchen. I saw on TikTok that a lady put like drawers in her fridge and kept fresh fruits and vegetables in there so that they're just available for her family. And I want to do that because my kids really love fruits and vegetables. They reach for them all the time, but they're not like ready to go, or they're not easy for them to grab. They're put away, or they're, you know, somewhere and they don't see them, so they grab like chips or crackers. And I just want my kids to eat more fruits and vegetables, so I'm planning on doing that, but I need to order the stuff, so I don't know when I'll get here. That is excellent. I love that. Let's put it on the fridge. Do you want to? Here, let's put that on the fridge. And then also, I got a bunch of new cleaning products, which made me want to clean out under my sink. And so I bought like a pull-out drawer, and I want to get that all organized because now I have like they're all pretty. And also, they're giving away this little kit. So I'm gonna leave a link. Hopefully it will work here. I'm sure it will. I'll leave a link so that you can get this for free with your first order. All of this stuff in here. There's a spray, dish soap, hand soap, and little sponges.
It sounds like an infomercial. It sounds like a brand. It's not.
My very favorite scent is the acorn spice. In fact, this is almost gone. But I also got like some really pretty glass bottles and things. I'll just show some of the things that I got when I organized. You want an orange? Yeah, oranges are the best. What?
How do I get this?
I'll help you. I'll help you. Also, I bought this giant jug because Carly had one. I saw it on Instagram and I was like, I'm just gonna get that and I'm gonna drink it. And I filled that up yesterday. Not good. This time of year, I also get more motivated to like eat healthy, and I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is about this time of year. I wish I felt like this in the spring, but spring and summer, I just kind of feel like, I don't know why. And this time of year, I'm like, okay, let's clean and organize everything, and let's like get fit, and let's like take things. I don't know. It's weird. Okay, do you want to put it right here? You have to put it on the black part. Yeah, there we go. Nice, I like it, Winston. We might have to slide it in there a little bit.
Has the stem?
I love it. You know what? I'm gonna put like a little board in the office. Oh, wow, you're so tall. I'm gonna put a board and a calendar in the office where you do your work, and then we can hang your schoolwork in there. What do you think about that?
Yeah.
That'd be pretty cool.
Spider-Man wants. Spider-Man.
I'm happy you're feeling better.
Wonderful cup.
What'd you say?
I was finding a cup.
You were trying to throw a cup? Oh.
Outside.
Outside? Okay.
I about fell.
Okay, let's get down. Let's get down and we need to get packed up. You need to get dressed in regular clothes. Are you feeling good enough to go?
Wow.
We're just gonna go to a hotel and see Dad. But you need to get dressed in regular clothes and pack some jammies, some new ones. Okay, let's get out of this.
Are we staying now?
Yeah, we're gonna stay the night. But we are leaving in the morning. But we are staying the night.
I'll get stuffy too.
Okay, you too, Layla. Getting out the door with 4 kids, even for like a simple trip like this, it takes so long. I think we have everything we need.
But Mom, what happens if I fall in the car?
Oh yeah, get a bowl. Good call, Winston. Winston's sick, so he was like, what if I get sick? On the way, and I was like, oh, we can't forget a bowl. Gotta get the bark bowl. Layla.
You look so pretty.
Oh, you're nice. Thank you. Did you get your stuff? It's in the back?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, we're just waiting for the boys. Come on, Winston. Goodness. We're leaving like an hour and a half after we wanted to leave.
Hey guys,
Maybe even 2
welcome
hours.
back to another YouTube video. It is Brace Gray here,
Race Gray.
back with another video.
That's
what Carly used to call me.
too. I know.
Oh heck yeah, can I go to Stinkers? Wait, what's that one called? Yeah. They're, oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, it is.
Do you guys
6
know
o'clock.
Dorito Flamas? Oh, the love of my life. So if you guys, I'm gonna get a P.O. box so you guys can send me some. And some LED lights for my birthday.
She is not.
Why? Why can't I get LED lights for my birthday?
Did you like that one?
No.
Why?
You look serious. I like your smile so much more.
Really took some pictures of me.
You
for
look pretty. I just like,
Instagram.
when you smile,
Mom.
it just is like,
Mom, you look so
happier.
pretty with your book.
Isn't Mom so pretty?
Thank you. Let's go. You got all your stuff? We made it. Hi.
You guys been missing me? You guys been missing me on the vlogs?
Yes. It's so
much.
weird to not see you in the vlogs.
I miss you, Daddy.
We've been
I miss
missing
guys
you.
so much.
This mouse is really cute. Can I have it?
No.
This looks good.
It's so big though. I like these ones. Neato.
We're on the very top floor.
Oh my gosh. I brought my ball. Dun da da da. Did you get 2 rooms?
Yeah.
Standing here a while just to take it all in. Radio's playing our song. And then you stood there smiling